Hello friends, today we're gonna be doing an oil change. This is a 2012 Lexus GX 460. Alright, it's a nice car, nice truck. We're gonna be replacing the oil. We're gonna use Mobile 1 5W20 for this car. According to the book, it takes 8.2 quarts of oil. Alright, so let's get to it. If you see the oil filter, it's a cartridge. It's not like a regular oil filter, and it's located over here in the front. So to get to the oil filter, you gotta take this cover out. To take this cover out, you have 4 bolts. 4 bolts. It's gonna be 1 bolt right here. One is a 14 millimeter. 1, 2, then 3, 4, and it just comes down. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we got the cover out, see, if you see up here, you can see the oil cartridge, the filter cartridge is gonna be inside here. So you're gonna need one of these tools, you know, for like the Toyota's tool to break this loose, and then the cartridge is gonna be in there. Now, to drain the oil, you're gonna have to take these two 12 millimeter bolts right here. Do it. And there is your drain plug. Okay, now the drain plug here. The drain plug here is a 14 millimeter. It's usually pretty tight, so what I like to do is I put my socket there, got this little pipe, and break it loose. Okay? Never use power tools to loosen these drain plugs. Okay? Never, because if you strip the threads on the oil pan, then you got a big job to do, you know, because you gotta replace or rethread it, or so. Never, you should rush it, maybe something to break it loose, and then just by hand. And when you're putting it back, put it back by hand first, and then you can run it with your ratchet or your wrench. Alright friends, now we got everything back together in the bottom. Now we come to the top. You see, you pop the hood and locate the engine oil cap. See this one right here? So you just kind of twist it. You can use a funnel, and then you got your oil. Just pour it in. Alright? Remember, it takes 8.2 quarts of oil. So you put your oil in. Let's clean this up. Make sure you don't spill oil on your engine. If you do, clean it up. Now it's time to start the car. So you start your car, you let it run for 1 minute, then you shut it off. You wait 1 more minute, and then you measure your oil, see where your oil level is. Now we wait 1 minute approximately. You get your oil dipsticks right there. Rod. See, it should be between those 2 dots. Now you put it back in. Out. It's super clean. You can barely see it. It's right there. Right there in the center. Okay? Well friends, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helped you in some way. If it did, please give us some likes and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions about this car, you can leave them in the comments below. Thank you. See you next time.